Well, hi guys. It's Thursday the 5th March. Been a pretty nice day, about 53 degrees. Been working on the Oliver today. Mainly drilling holes. Drilling broken bolts out, I should say. A bunch of them. Drill them and retap it. Put a couple of new bolts in here, back there, same on the other side. It's got all the bolts back in it, and like I said from my previous video about that Meguiar's cleaner, it works pretty good. Now I don't know how good it'll do on this, but we'll find out soon enough. Right now I'm trying to get a lot of the little stuff done. Pulled the top of the dash here apart and pulled a bunch of wiring out of there that was just nasty. It's the only way to put it. Wires that had shorted and burnt and all that kind of crap. But much to my surprise, I just tried a cold start on it, when it was sitting over there this morning, and this thing fired right off. Never even hit the preheater. Just hit the key and to see what it would do. And it spun right over. I found a cable shop down in Milford that I can get this new tack cable from. They can make it. So, at some point, probably when I got this thing all tore apart, it'll be in the barn when I do this, that I'll take this cable completely off and go down there and have him make a new one. The new cables that you can buy through Agco, A&I, basically whoever, cable comes and it is 82 inches long, and it's too tight, way too tight. That's why you get spots just like that. Gets a kink in it because it's going around so tight. Nothing you can do about it. But I can get one made longer, say 84, 85 inches long. No big deal to me. It is what it is. I've been making some concrete plans on what's going to happen. I have acquired some back tires for it. I think you'll like them. I know I will. It's much needed on this thing. And more than likely, after this is an 11L15 right here. Measuring it from here to here on the outside edge is 31 inches. That's 26 and a quarter. And that's being generous with it right now. So I think the 9.515s are what I'm going to end up with. They'll go on a pair of rims just like this. They're deep dished that way. So I've measured from here up, and we've got 3 3 3/4, 4 inches, depending on where you laid it. So those have a back dish of 4 inches from here to here. If you lay a straight edge across to measure in. So this tire is bad anyway. See that big gash? No big deal. I've got another rim just like it that I'll put another wagon tire on, and I'll be putting these two rims more than likely on a couple of new 9.5 15s, and they'll go on the front of this. Like I said, I've spent most of the day drilling, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there. That's right, 6, 7, 8, 6. And they all got a tap run through them. Clean them all up. So I know those are good now. Need to really find something I can stick over this, put over that decal to keep it as it is. Clean it up maybe a little. I don't know. Find something. But she's running good. It's kind of in a going through, you know, after getting those hoses replumbed. I like this a lot better. It's a lot cleaner, and I like it better. And that's exactly what's going to happen on the other side. When I get the hoses and the ends, got them ordered. They just haven't come in yet. So that's coming. I got to do some, probably going to have to do some cutting of wires like these. They're just, that coating is just brittle, and you've got all kinds of bare spots in them. So this is going to have to be addressed. Probably just cut off along. God, I hate to do it, but this, when I take it loose, has to come off the tractor, has to come off this bracket, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, where I'm going to put it. I've got to figure it out. And I've actually got another one of these brackets just like this one, but they're made for all of our ends, and I don't have the female end that goes on that, so yeah, we got to get new ends. And new hoses. I've got another bracket like this one already. I just got to have the hoses and the ends. So that's on the agenda. Once I get all the bugs worked out, and probably these tires on, it's going to get another bath. Well, probably after all the sheet metal comes off, these hoses all get changed, belts all that gets changed, and the valve cover comes off. She'll get another good bath, and we'll just have to go from there. Guys, she's running good. I'm happy with her, and let's put it this way, that cab is going to go back on here. Going to be modified, but it's going back on. I want this opening a little bigger, so this part is going to go out to here and down, which will give it another probably 4 inches in the door width. And I think I measured that door and it's like 18 inches. That's fine and dandy for somebody skinny, but us, it's a little bit chunky. That's a hard thing to deal with. Steps will go back up here. To make it easier to put fuel in. And I doubt if those steps will go back on. I'll probably make new ones. But I got something to go by. So we'll get there. The wheat crop, haven't really touched on that for a while. Is, well, needs nitrogen put on it. Needs nitrogen put on it in the worst way. However, I got no way of doing it right now. And the ground has never frozen up enough to get the spreader over it. That's been the problem. Plan is to put 250 pounds of urea down to the acre over the winter while it was froze up solid. It's never froze up and got solid, so that's not happened. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but what else can you do? But it needs some sun and some dry days. But we ain't had none of that lately. Rain, 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 rain. What's this? I wonder where that came from. Put it in the pocket. Look at it later. At any rate, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'm calling it a day. Fire the Oliver back up and move it back over here. Get the tarp put back on it. Because tomorrow, well, tonight into tomorrow, we're supposed to get snow. I'm telling you, the weather around here is crazy. 50, 55 one day, and then snow the next. Keeps things interesting, I'll say that. At any rate, guys, we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And hit that like button. You know, give it that thumbs up. We'll see you next time, guys. The work continues on the 1850.